Hello, class 7 students, welcome everyone. So, our next topic from the chapter light is playing with spherical mirrors. Okay, playing with what? Spherical mirrors. So, till the last video, we have discussed about image formation by plane mirror, right? And we have also discussed about the characteristics of images formed by a plane mirror. Next is your about spherical mirrors. Let's discuss what is given in the book. Paheli and Bujo were waiting for their dinner. Bujo lifted a stainless steel plate and saw his image in it. Okay. As Paheli and Bujo were waiting for their dinner, Bujo lifted what? A stainless steel plate. And saw his image in it. Oh, this plate acts as a plane mirror. Right. So if the plate is acting like a plane mirror, what will be the image? Image will be erect. My image is erect and is of the same size. The image will be erect and will be of the same size. So these two are the characteristics of images formed by a plane mirror. Images formed by a plane mirror is always erect and it is of the same size as the object. Okay. So these two are the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. Now Paheli saw her image using the back of a steel spoon. Now if Paheli uses a steel spoon, okay, and if she sees her image using the back side of the steel spoon, now what she can actually see? She said that Bujo, look here, I can also see my erect image though it is smaller in size. That means Paheli can also see her image and that image is also erect. That image is also erect, but the size of the image is smaller than the object. Okay. This spoon also acts as a mirror of some kind, said Paheli. So Paheli concluded that the spoon is also acting as a mirror, but not the plane mirror. If it acts like a plane mirror, then the spoon will give her the exact size as that of her. The image will be of the exact size as that of her. Okay, but the image is not of that exact size. Okay, image is smaller than the object. Okay, but then also it is acting as a mirror, but not as a plane mirror. So you also use a spoon or any curved shining surface to see your image. You can check your spoon which is present in your home. Okay. Two faces are there. One is curved inward face and one is your curved outward face. Okay, this is your curved inward face. This one. Front one is the curved inward. Okay, this is curved inward, right? This is the front part. So this part is your concave part. Okay, cave. From the name cave, you just mentioned that the reflecting surface is curved inwards. Okay, and this one is curved outwards. This one is curved outwards, and the reflecting surface is curved outwards. So this is your convex. What? Convex. So there are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave and one is convex mirrors. Okay. Now activity 15.5. You look. Take a stainless steel spoon. Take a stainless steel spoon, bring the outer side of the spoon near your face and look into it. Do you see your image? Yes, we can see our image in it. Is this image different from what you see in a plane mirror? Yes, it is of different. Okay. Is this image erect? Is the size of the image the same, larger or smaller? Is the size of the image say the same, larger or smaller? See, if we look into a shining steel spoon, we will find that the front and back part of a spoon gives different types of images of our face. Okay. If we look into a shining steel spoon, we will find that the front and back part of a spoon gives different types of images of our face. This is because the front and back of a shining spoon represent two different types of mirrors. Okay, the front part of the shining spoon represents the concave mirror because it is curved inwards. It is curved what? Curved inwards. This is the front part. and back part of the shining spoon represents the convex mirror, because it is curved outwards. Okay, so these two mirrors represent two different types of images. Okay, generally, if you try to look with the front part of your stainless spoon, then you will see that your image is inverted. It is not erect, it is inverted. Okay, if you try to look with the help of a stainless spoon, with the help of your the front part of your stainless spoon, you will see that your image is getting inverted. Okay, not erect, not upright, it is inverted. Okay, your head will be below. Okay, and your foot will be up in the image of a concave mirror. And generally, in case of a convex mirror, from the back part of the spoon, you will see that your image is erect. Okay, and your image is what? Erect. Clear? Your head will be up and your foot will be at the bottom only. Clear? Now look at your image using the inner side of the spoon. This time you may find that your image is erect and larger in size. And if you increase the distance of the spoon from your face, you may see your image is getting inverted. Okay, you can also compare the image of your pen or pencil instead of your face. That means if you take the example, if you keep your pen in front of the mirror, in front of the spherical mirror that is in front of the spoons and all, then also you can find inverted image and erect images in case of concave and convex side of the mirrors, okay, of the spoon. Clear till here? Next, the curved shining surface of a spoon acts as a mirror, as already mentioned. The most common example of a curved mirror is spherical mirror. See, if the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is concave, that is curved inwards, it is called concave mirror. And if the reflecting surface is convex, that is curved outwards, then it is called as convex mirror. Okay, as you can see over here, this one. See, shaded portion is given, right? Here some shaded portion is given. This shaded portion is the silver coating protected by a paint. Okay, and the front part, which is given in black color, this is the front part. The front part is the concave surface which reflects light. Okay, similarly here also, if you see the silver coating which is at the end, which is at the back, okay, this is the silver coating protected by a paint, okay, in case of a convex mirror. And the reflecting surface is curved outwards, as you can see over here. This is the reflecting surface which is curved outwards. So this is the convex surface which reflects light. Clear? So as mentioned already in the next page, you can look in page number 180 that the inner surface of a spoon acts like a concave mirror while its outer surface acts like a convex mirror. Okay. We know that the image of an object formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on a screen, right? In the last video only we have discussed that the images formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on a screen. That is why the image formed by a plane mirror is also known as a virtual image. Okay, it is also known as virtual image. The images which cannot be obtained on the screen are known as virtual image. Okay, let us investigate if it is true, if it is also true for the image formed by a concave mirror. Okay, now here you see, take a concave mirror. You have to take a concave mirror, hold it facing the sun. You have to hold the concave mirror in such a way that it is facing towards the sun. Try to get the light reflected by the mirror on a sheet of paper. You have to get the reflected light on a sheet of paper. Okay, try to get the reflected light. Okay, light reflected by the mirror on a sheet of paper. When light falls on the concave mirror, then you have to allow it to throw on a sheet of paper. Clear? Adjust the distance of the paper until you get a sharp bright spot on it. You have to adjust the concave mirror, or you have to adjust the paper so that you can get a sharp bright spot on the paper, just like this one. Yes, just like this one. This is the sharp bright spot which is formed on the paper of a of the sun, right? Hold the mirror and the sheet of paper steady for a few minutes. Does the paper start burning? For a few minutes, if you hold the concave mirror in such a way, then the paper will start getting burned. Okay, why the paper is getting burned over here? See, when a lot of sun's heat rays are concentrated on a small point of paper, then what happens? The paper gets heated too much at that point and it burns to form a hole. Okay, that means the concave mirror, when light rays are falling on it, the concave mirror is reflecting the light rays and it is allowing it to concentrate on a point. Okay, that means the concave mirror is also known as converging mirror because it is converging the light rays after reflection. That means like this, say this is a concave mirror, suppose. Okay, if I draw it larger, in a larger scale, if I draw it, this is a concave mirror. When light rays are incident on it, okay, when light rays are falling on it, okay, it will get reflected. The light rays will get reflected here. As you can see over here, these two light rays are meeting at a point, right? So these two light rays are meeting at a point after reflection. That means it is concentrating at a point. These light rays are what? Getting concentrated on a point. That means this is known as converging factor, converging mirror. Okay, the light rays are getting converged. That is why concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. Okay, because it has the property to allow the sun's heat rays to concentrate at a point, and that point is the point on the paper which is allowing it to burn, to make a hole. Okay, it burns to form a hole. So the bright spot is in fact the image of the sun. Yes, the bright spot which is obtained over here is also the image of the sun. So notice that this image is formed on a screen, and the images which can be obtained on a screen or formed on a screen is known as real image. Okay, what is real image? Real image is the images which are formed on a screen. Okay, in this case the screen is the paper, image is formed of the sun, and sun is the object. Okay, you can recall that the virtual image is what? Virtual images is the images which cannot be obtained on the screen, and real images what? Real images are the images which can be obtained on the screen. Clear? So there are two types of images. One is real image and one is virtual image. Real image is, again I am mentioning you that the images which can be formed on a screen is called real image, and the images which cannot be obtained on the screen or which cannot be formed on the screen is known as virtual image. So recollect that in activity 15.2, the image formed by a plane mirror could not be obtained on a screen. Such an image is called a virtual image. Clear till here? Okay. After this, activity 15.7 is there. We'll continue the chapter in the next day. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.